Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this software called Crowdfire, and before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply donate to our channel, so that will be super awesome. Make sure to give it a try. Now coming onto the platform, you will be able to see that we have various features. So it is, since it is a social media management tool, it is going to be providing you different features related to scheduling. You can add your accounts. You can simply click on scheduling and then connect accounts. Here will be options to connect your Facebook and all these social media platforms. Even Shopify and Twitch are now enabled, so super awesome. Now you can also head over to analytics. Here will be the analytics of your daily analytics, last 7 days and last 30 days, so everything will be populated in here. Once you connect your account, you can see your mentions and listening and accounts. So basically these are the accounts that you can connect. And if we head back to our dashboard, you will be able to see that we have our images that you can upload and are of your interest. So they also have this AI feature that is going to be incorporating your management even more. So it is going to be filtering out what type of business that you are trying to manage, and click on save. It will be incorporating with that. Let me give the brand name, click on save, and let's just click skip for now. So it is going to be customized according to the social media platform that you enable it with, the bot, and it is super awesome. Now talking about the reviews this have, we can check out. You can see solid and flexible social media management tool, and these are some of the previous reviews left for this platform. Powerful social media and monitoring tool. You can also see much more if you scroll a bit down. A lot of positive reviews for this one. Make sure to give it a try. And Crowdfire, you can head over to the link in the description for more details, and also get exclusive benefits and rewards, as well extended free trial. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.